In this very quick video guide, we're gonna see how we can monitor the data usage of our network so we can put a limit and manage all these data and data usage. So to do this, I wanna go in the settings of my smartphone, and you can either search for what you're looking for directly just by typing data. That's the quickest way. Otherwise, you're going to go in the mobile network data usage right here. So if we start here from the home page of the settings, the starting screen, we can go in the mobile network. And here you have the possibility to set a different mobile data, or you can set up the hotspot if you want to use your mobile phone as a router and connect to the internet. But this is explained in other guides. So what I'm going to do is just go in the data usage. So this is where I can check how many megabyte or gigabyte I have used today or I have remaining. And you can set up a limit. You can set up here some of these settings. So here you have the more data settings down here, and you can set a monthly data limit if you want. In my case, I set up 150, and you can also set up usage reminders if you want. So when you are like 90% or 80%, and so you can go really specific with this if you want. And you can activate it right here, lock screen data usage reminder. Now I can go back and here also you can see data usage this month. So if I scroll down the page, I can see more of this. So basically I can see that I have used a lot my hotspot right here. So if I want like to know more, I can click inside here and I can get more information on mobile data and on Wi-Fi, and also the different applications that I use like Instagram, WhatsApp. So you can check how much they consume in terms of data that you have available in your smartphone plan. And also here we can change, we can do more. We can see by week or by month. So we can get really detailed information and understand if there is like some more, let's say, expensive app or less expensive. And then you can set up this as a reminder on how many you have at your disposal. And that will be it for this quick video guide. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and stay updated for other video guides. And if you want to support us, thank us, please join the channel as a supporter and check out other guides about graphic design, Android, but also about 3D and much more in the channel. And so thanks. See you in the next video.